Hi, I'm Dennis Johnson from Weiss-Johnson. Keep your cool this summer with a quality air conditioning unit from Weiss-Johnson. Even in the hottest summer months, the Goodman GSX13 air conditioner works efficiently to enhance your comfort. Compared to an older system, this air conditioner can help you save significantly on your monthly cooling bills. With Goodman's patented 5mm copper tubing, the GSX13 is substantially smaller than competitive units and uses up to 25% less refrigerant. At Weiss-Johnson, we want both your home and budget to be as comfortable as they can be. The Goodman GSX13 has met the Weiss-Johnson standard for long-lasting performance and durability. Weiss-Johnson recommends this air conditioner for its efficient and economical performance that provides you, the homeowner, with reliable cooling. The Goodman GSX13 has an efficiency rating of 13 SEER. SEER rating stands for Seasonal Energy Efficiency Ratio. Basically, the higher the SEER rating, the more efficient the air conditioner is and the less power the unit will need to operate. A precision-balanced direct drive fan is designed to provide quieter operation and longer product life. The Goodman GSX13 has a 5-year limited warranty on the compressor and other covered components. A 10-year warranty is available when the product is registered online at www.goodmanmfg.com. A cool, comfortable home doesn't have to use a lot of energy. Call Weiss-Johnson today so we can provide you more information on innovative air conditioning solutions with efficiency in mind.
Weiss-Johnson, Weiss-Johnson, whoa. We're proud to be local and family owned. Count on experience to speak for itself. With Weiss-Johnson, Weiss-Johnson, whoa. Striving to